We'll be engraving brass keychains using coordinate pairs. Start in Google Classroom and find a design that you like in the coordinate graphing folder. And once you've selected it, you can verify you like it by looking at the JPEG image. After that, open up the PDF and select everything, and then hit Command-C or Control-C to copy it. Open up a new Google Doc and use Command-V or Control-V to paste it into your document. You're now ready to start editing. Start by lining up everything into a single column. Remove the space and press Enter, and you'll clean up the whole document, making it ready for the next step. At this point, it's a good idea to name your document something other than untitled document. In this case, I'm naming it Einstein. From the Edit menu, select Find and Replace, and choose the open parentheses for Find, and replace it with the letter X, and do a Replace All. You'll notice all of the parentheses have been changed to X's. We'll now select the semicolon and the space and replace it with a Y or a space Y, whichever you choose. Replace all. And there we go. Next, we'll do the close parentheses, and we'll replace it with nothing so that it effectively deletes that character. And we are now left with X, Y coordinate pairs ready for the next step in G-code. We're going to replace the S with open parentheses S, and then we're going to close each of the shapes with a close parentheses. Those become comments in the G-code, and they are ignored by the controller. So go through your entire document and clean up all your comments. Now go to the Edit menu, select all, Edit, and Copy to copy the contents to your clipboard. From Google Classroom, select G-code Scaler. Paste your original G-code in the left-hand box using Command-V or Control-V. Set the scale factor at 3%, 0.03, and then press the Generate G-code button. From Classroom, select template.txt, select all the text, and then copy it to your clipboard using Command-C or Control-C. From Google Classroom, select NCViewer.com. When it opens, press the New File button. Paste the template using Command-V or Control-V. Switch back to the G-code scaling tool. Select all of your scaled G-code and copy it to your clipboard. Switch back over to NCViewer and paste your scaled G-code into the box. Click Plot to see what it looks like, and verify that you're within the boundaries. If you're not, click Undo. Switch back to the G-code scaler. Change the scale factor to 2.5% and then generate new code. Copy that code to your clipboard. Switch back to NCViewer and paste your updated code into your template and plot it. Now that our G-code is scaled properly, we'll select the line of code from the document using Command-C, and we'll paste that after the first line of each shape. We'll do this for each shape throughout the entire document. This brings the cutter down and causes it to cut the work at the appropriate depth. Copy the Tool Up command to your clipboard and paste it after the last line of each shape. This will ensure that the tool lifts at the end of each shape before moving to the next shape. As you make these final edits, verify that each shape has the tool coming down at the beginning and lifting the tool back up at the end. At the top of the file, change the name comment to your name, or whatever name you would like to name this file. Now verify your edits. Click the plot button, and you should see all of your cuts turn blue and your lifted rapids are orange. You've put a lot of work into this document. Make sure you save it. Click on the floppy disk, name your file. I'm going to use the O word, O1234.nc, and then click Save. Make sure that you save it someplace you can find it. You could also upload it to your Google Drive. After your G-code has been verified, take it out to the CNC machine, put it on the vacuum fixture, and engrave it. We'll end this video with a few examples of other students' work. Enjoy.